Imagine buying a car and it just keeps going, year after year. 100,000 miles, 200,000, even 300,000. No major breakdowns, no expensive repairs, just smooth, predictable performance. Now ask yourself, why does this happen so often with Japanese cars? This isn't luck, it's not coincidence, and it's definitely not just good quality. There's a billion-dollar reason behind it. And once you understand it, you'll never look at cars the same way again. The illusion of better engineering. Most people think Japanese cars last longer because they have better engineers. That's only partially true. Germany has world-class engineers. America has cutting-edge technology. So why don't their cars dominate reliability rankings the same way? Because reliability isn't about building the most advanced car. It's about building the most predictable car. And that's where Japanese automakers changed the game. The real secret, Kaizen. At the heart of Japanese car manufacturing is a philosophy called Kaizen. Kaizen means continuous improvement. But here's the key difference. Instead of chasing big, revolutionary changes, Japanese companies focus on small, consistent improvements over time. Every bolt, every component, every process. Nothing is too small to improve. While other companies try to reinvent the wheel, Japanese brands quietly make the wheel better. Why simplicity wins. Take a look under the hood of a typical Japanese car. You'll notice something surprising. It's simple, not overloaded with experimental tech, not filled with unnecessary complexity. That's intentional, because complexity is the enemy of reliability. Every extra feature, every extra system is another thing that can fail. Japanese manufacturers follow a simple rule. If it doesn't improve long-term reliability, don't include it. That's why their cars may feel less flashy, but they last longer. The billion-dollar investment. Manufacturing perfection. Now here's where the billion-dollar reason comes in. Japanese automakers invest massive amounts of money, not just in design, but in manufacturing precision. We're talking about ultra-precise assembly lines, rigorous quality checks at every stage, standardized processes that eliminate human error. But here's the real difference. Workers on the production line are empowered to stop everything if they spot a defect. Yes, literally stop the entire factory. This system is known as jidoka. In many factories around the world, workers are told to keep production moving. In Japan, quality comes first, always, even if it costs millions in delays. Over-engineering. Where it matters. Japanese cars aren't over-engineered in flashy ways. They're over-engineered in hidden ways. For example, engines are built to handle more stress than they'll ever face. Components are tested far beyond normal usage. Materials are chosen for durability, not just cost. So, when you drive normally, the car is operating well below its limits. That's why it lasts so long. The long-term mindset. Here's something most people don't realize. Japanese companies don't design cars for the first owner. They design them for the second, third, and even fourth owner. That's a completely different mindset. In many markets, companies focus on first impressions, new features, short-term performance. Japanese automakers focus on longevity, reliability over decades, consistency under real-world conditions, because they know their reputation depends on it. Why reliability is a billion-dollar strategy. Now let's connect the dots. Why would companies invest billions into reliability? Because reliability builds trust, and trust builds brand loyalty. Think about it. If someone owns a car that runs perfectly for 10-15 years, what are they likely to buy next? The same brand. Multiply that by millions of customers, and you get a multi-billion-dollar advantage. This isn't just engineering. It's a long-term business strategy, the hidden cost of unreliable cars. Now compare that to less reliable vehicles. They might offer more features, better performance, more luxury, but they come with hidden costs, frequent repairs, expensive parts, downtime, and frustration. Over time, those costs add up, often thousands of dollars. That's why many people eventually switch to Japanese cars, not because they're exciting, but because they're dependable. Testing beyond limits. Japanese automakers are obsessed with testing, not just standard testing, but extreme testing. Cars are pushed through harsh weather conditions, long-distance endurance runs, high-stress simulations. And if something fails, they don't just fix it. They redesign the system so it never happens again. This feedback loop is what makes each generation better than the last. The power of consistency. Another underrated factor is consistency. Japanese brands don't constantly reinvent their models. Instead, they refine them over time. Engines evolve slowly. Designs improve gradually. Problems are fixed permanently. This means fewer surprises and fewer failures. Why other brands struggle? So why don't all car companies do this? Because it's expensive. It requires long-term thinking, massive upfront investment, willingness to sacrifice short-term profits. Many companies prioritize innovation and speed. Japanese automakers prioritize perfection and patience, and in the long run, that wins. The trade-off. Of course, this approach has a downside. Japanese cars are often less exciting, less innovative in features. Slower to adopt new technology, but that's the trade-off. Would you rather have a car that feels futuristic, or one that still works perfectly after 15 years? The psychological factor. There's also a psychological element. When people believe a car is reliable, they maintain it better. Drive it more carefully, keep it longer. This reinforces the reputation even more. It becomes a cycle. Reliability, trust, better ownership, more reliability. The real billion-dollar reason. Final insight. So what's the real billion-dollar reason Japanese cars last forever? It's not just engineering, it's not just quality control. It's a system built on continuous improvement, Kaizen, manufacturing discipline, long-term thinking, simplicity over complexity, relentless testing, all backed by billions of dollars in investment and decades of refinement. Final thought. In a world obsessed with the newest and the fastest, Japanese cars quietly prove something powerful. The best product isn't the one that impresses you today. It's the one that never lets you down tomorrow. And that's why, year after year, they keep winning.